All right, here's double pour. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Make sure you got the camera on the canvas.
The camera is seeing everything. Guys, those cups were filled up to the top with paint, and that's all it got.
All right, here's the
Now
fun.
watch the master
fun
trick.
part.
Oh. Uh-oh, I can't really.
Okay.
Oh no, the orange is taking over. Guys, this canvas is really big. Oh, I can't see.
Well, it'll come back around.
Okay. Sorry, guys. My mom's mean. Whoa. That's cool, guys. Look at that. I'm gonna take a step back and look at this. This is called double pour. If you ever make a painting like this, it's a really cool method.
That looks so cool.
I know. These are the other ones we made.
Can I put it in my room?
No.
No,
Mine.
I can't.
These are the other ones we made, guys. Look at this. That's cool. You know.
Don't drop the phone on the wet paint.
Whoopsie. That one. And that one. I'm gonna review them again. Boom. 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 Oh, this one's big. Hold on. Boom. And there. Anyway, that is the double pour.